Welcome back to Tiny's Workshop. This is the Dirty Street Rocker yet again, coming straight at you. Build video of the finished product of my brand new 2x12 has been hiatus for a long time, and I apologize for that. This is the first time I've ever used a piece of equipment on stage before unveiling it. On my Facebook first, but some stuff went down and just been busy. And actually, I played 2 shows with this guy, and it works just fine, sounds just beautiful, and it looks even better. But first, before I show you this, I got a couple of shout-outs to give, very, very well-deserved shout-outs, because without these people, it would not be possible. First one, Corey Logan, my bro from Killer Clown Productions, hooked me up with a lot of tools, drill bits, router bits, and the whole saw cutters, and I needed that stuff, man, and I was down to my last damn dollar. It was going on a month and a half, and this thing just needed to be done. Our next show at the Andrea Oaks Club is getting closer and closer and closer. I was actually bolting and screwing this thing together the morning of the show, man. Talk about crunch time. That was killer, but I got it done. So thanks a lot to Corey Logan. Without those pieces, I'd probably still be building this damn thing. Number 2, Robert Rudisil, Rudisil's Electronics. You can see him on Facebook. You get a lot of good deals, man. I already got a Digitech Metal Master that I'm going to be throwing on my board from this guy. He went to our last show in State College and checked out my SG, and I'm actually going to be calling him up here as soon as I get some cash. And put a locking nut on it so it stops going out of tune. So thank you, Robert Rudisil, for hooking me up with a set of those handles for free. I completely restored them, and you can't even tell they were busted up. Thank you, Robert. Third, wait to see this upholstery job. Custom done by Ryan and Tony's Upholstery of Altoona, PA. And now that I did my video, I'm going to go ahead and post it on theirs and hit a like. But here it is, man. This thing is sick, dude. Check it out. Alright, dude, custom everything from the ground up. Boxes built by me. Now, this head unit was the original one from my last 2x12. I just sent it in to those guys at Ryan and Tony's Upholstery. They did a fantastic job on this. Absolutely fantastic. This thing is slick. It is lean, mean, and clean. Look at that. And these right there are the hanging handles on each side. So you see I can hang my guitars from either side. Like I said, these are removable. Just pop them out. Now I'm not going to completely break this down on video, but I got it sitting out from the wall so I can show you guys. This is actually 2 separate boxes, and it is held together with 8 cabinet locks all the way around. You can see it go. And I can stack them together and then lock them. And then when I lock them, here's the handle system, like this, and tilt it back on the freight wheels. And she rolls nice, man. Alright, 1/4-inch jacks, 1/4-inch jack there in each, and it breaks down into a split plug, so I can plug each one in individually if I want to, or if I need bigger sound, I can plug them both in. I didn't get the USB port put on like I wanted to, and I still need to mount the outlets to the back. But for the most part, it's done. I still want to trim it in diamond plate, and then I'm putting this bad boy in it. Over here, yeah, my room's kind of a mess, but right here, fog machine. I'm going to be mounting a fog machine somewhere in or around it. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. That's still up in the air. But then I picked up these guys off of Amazon. They are steel mesh. But the clips that they sent me aren't the correct ones to this. And the clips don't fit. But that's about the only thing I need to do yet here. And then, just kind of mount them, make them look pretty. But these are kind of still old and dingy. I started coloring them in with black Sharpie. I just didn't get around to finishing it, But like you said, I already played 2 shows with this, and it sounds really nice. It's just the feedback is insane. When I dime it out, but like I said, the pedal board's next, and I got just enough material left out of this to do a custom pedal board. And the whole pedal board idea actually started it, and then I had another idea, so I'm going to completely scrap the one I just started building today. I'm going to condense my gear bag which is up there. It's got extra plugs and 9 volts and this and that, which is cool. But that's still kind of bulky. So what I'm gonna do is build an actual suitcase for my pedal board, to where the whole board picks up on a handle, and then on the top of the board is actually gonna flip up. And the board itself on the inside is gonna be a storage box where I can put my wireless system for my amplifier, and all the extra cords and everything will be stored right inside of that pedal board, and then it's going to lock shut with another cabinet lock, and then I just pick the whole thing up on a handle. But last shout out, always to the awesome guys, NEND. I'm so proud to be part of that band, man. And it's pretty intense, man. Like, everybody else in this group is like, 20. The singer will be 21. Bass player's 22. You know what I mean? And I'll be 36. And it makes me feel good about myself, man. I can keep up with them kids, man. But they're a good group of dudes. And the other guitar player, Will, just hooked me up with this, and I cannot wait to put this on my board, man. Check this out. The Dimebag Darrell signature. It's got a dial. There's like 6 different wahs right on here. Right there. Button can turn it on and off. And right there you control the volume, the tone, and everything right off the bottom. I cannot wait to get this pedal board put together. Like I said, here was the original one. I'm going to turn the light on in here. There we go. Ooh, Eddie Money. Yeah, my computer crashed again, so I got the radio on. But this is an early makings. I just started this today. No, I mean, I was just going to have a plain, angled, so it just sits up. And I can just mount all my pedals on here, and after I upholster it and, Velcro and all that and wire it up. Like I said, I had that other idea of actually building the pedal board and turning it into a suitcase itself. And that's what I'm going to do. So, like I said, just goes to show with the ingenuity, know-how, and some tools, and some patience, and practice. It takes practice. But just do what I do, man. I can't afford stuff. I build it. Like I said, I say it all the time, even if I had $1 million, I would still be doing this kind of stuff. I would not pay retail, even if I could afford it. I love doing this. It's a labor of love, and it'll always be that way. It's just, and I hope my videos inspire others to build things as well. I'm looking at it now. I'm very, very satisfied with the way it turned out. That is sexy, man. So sexy. Oh. That's it, man. Tiny's Workshop. Until next time with the pedal board, this is Tiny signing out. Deuces.